So I've been personal a little bit along the way. When I started, I was completely overwhelmed. Okay, I had too many things on my charts. I thought everything was important. I was learning and reading books after books after books after books, looking at videos to have like all the strategies. I wanted to test them all. So again, my charts were too crowded. I was trading in the chat room in the morning and I had no idea what I was doing. And I kept strategy up. Okay, I kept changing the strategy, testing stuff, tasting stuff, okay? And at some point, I was having some success, then I would have losing trades, then I would doubt the system I was trading, I would put myself in the way, I was partialing and then not partialing, and then the size was different, the stop loss was, everything was random, okay? And I had to go so deep into pain to tell myself, what is going on? Like, it has something, like, I need to find what works for me. What am I doing wrong? And I remember the first answer I got from myself or from God was that I was overwhelmed. And just talking about it tonight, I have the same feeling coming back, like a post-traumatic stress disorder. I was overwhelmed. I was emotionally burned out. I was financially burned out. I had scarred my brain so bad. I didn't trust myself for the first time maybe. Because everything I touched before worked, but then trading come into my life. And now I don't understand what's going on. I have no success, right? It felt horrible. And then I decided to embark finally on the journey of self-awareness, the journey of the spiritual journey of trading, transforming. So I let go of almost everything I have learned. And I said, I want this to work because I know that I want it. Okay, I am passionate about trading and I am ready to take on the pain and learn from it. So I just deleted everything on my charts. Everything. I removed all the noise. I stopped looking at scanners. I had a small watch list. Also, being with futures really helped me because I didn't have to have a lot of stickers to have great moves. I was trading only the micro ES, so MES at the beginning, and that was it. Then I started to understand price action. So how to identify when price changes direction. And how to identify when price changes direction with trend lines. And then trend lines became my best friend. Because with a trend line, I feel secure, I feel safe. Because it is not my decision. It is the trend telling me that we are no longer following it, or we are following it, right? So I trade mainly trend breaks, aka reversals, and trend continuation. And everything is around trend lines. So I use higher time frames, support and resistance, and trend lines. I trade the 1 hour chart. When I trade the 5-minute chart, when I have more time, I can trade the 5-minute chart. I also stay with my higher time frame levels, but then I use Thor cams, okay? Because it gives me more wear during the day. But cams are just a wear for me. I need also the trend to align with the trade I want to take. So that did the trick for me. I needed to find something that fits. And I always liked the 1 hour and the 4 hour chart for trading, but to be an intraday trader, I thought it would be too higher time frame. But I think the 1 hour does the trick. 4 hour might be too long, but I think I found the balance between the 5-minute chart and the 4 hour chart. So that way I have more time to focus on working with people. Okay, I really love working with people. I really love trading, and I don't want trading to consume a big part of my day. Okay, I want to have time to do work with people. So, but I needed to reflect a lot, to ask the questions, to go back to the basic. Jesse Livermore. Okay, what the traders, and I was listening to the book Market Wizards. What these guys were focusing on. They were making money, and they didn't have all the technology that we have. Okay? Trend lines. And the algos, they love trend lines. They work so well. So why would I need anything else? Okay? So I started to learn how to trade trend lines, and I've been happy ever since. So yes, exactly. I was in a major pivot. It was over, or I was making it. At some point it was too much pain for too long, and I needed to ask myself the real questions. So not easy, but so worth it. Guys, I mean, I make money while I sleep now. I wake up in the morning and I have money in my trading account, right? I can take setup in the evening and I go to bed and I make money. I would have never imagined that. It is all possible, okay? Stick to it. Practice the right way. It is so worth it. Bonjour, Market Alchemist. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. We've come to the end of this episode, but your journey doesn't stop here. Make sure to watch the next video in the series, and don't forget to like and subscribe.